Do you know how did this LED turn on? Let's find out. We need a cell holder, resistor, LED, red wire, black wire. This is our simple circuit diagram. When the circuit is complete, current flows through the transistor, and the LED lights up. This is the battery. It gives power to the circuit. The red wire is positive. The black wire is negative. This small component is a resistor. It controls the flow of electricity and protects the LED. This is the LED. The longer leg is positive, and the shorter leg is negative. But look closely, one wire is not connected, so LED will not glow. Now, let's connect the loose wire. Wow, the LED lights up. Electricity flows from the battery, through the wire, passes the resistor, and reaches the LED. And the LED glows. This completes the circuit. Follow and for more fun science experiments. Want to try this at home? Subscribe for more fun science videos. Get this experiment kit from Kit4Curious to try it at home, link in description.